We will first discuss some basic notation conventions. We will use uppercase letters such as A, B, or C to denote events. P of A denotes the probability that event A will occur. Likewise, P of B denotes the probability that event B will occur. Let's discuss the classical approach to determining probability. The probability of A is the number of ways event A can occur divided by the number of possible outcomes. Let's look at a simple example. Here we have 10 digits, 0 through 9. It would be useful to think of each number representing a yellow marble in an urn, and we will be discussing the probability of randomly selecting a given marble from the urn. Let's first determine the probability of randomly selecting a yellow marble with a 4 on it, or the probability of x equals a yellow 4. It is the number of ways x equals a yellow 4 can occur, which is 1, divided by the number of possible outcomes, which is 10. Therefore, the probability of x equals a yellow 4 is 1/10. Let's try another example. We will determine the probability of x equals a yellow odd number. Following the same procedure as before, the probability of x equals a yellow odd number is the number of ways a yellow odd number can occur, which is 5, divided by the number of possible outcomes, which is 10, for a probability of 1/2. Let's now add a column of green numbers. This is equivalent to adding 10 green marbles to the urn. This will have an effect on probability. Let's determine the probability of x equals a yellow 2. The number of ways x equals a yellow 2 can occur is still 1, but the total number of possible outcomes is now 20, making the probability of x equals a yellow 2 1/20th. Now let's determine the probability of any 4, denoted the probability of x equals a white 4. The number of ways any 4 can occur is 2, and the total number of possible outcomes is 20, making the probability of x equals any 4 equal to 1/10. Now let's double the number of possible outcomes. That is, we've added 10 blue marbles and 10 red marbles to the urn. Let's determine the probability of x equals a yellow 2. The number of ways x equals a yellow 2 can occur is 1, and the total number of possible outcomes is now 40. The probability of x equals a yellow 2 is therefore 1/40th. Let's look at a few more examples of a simple event. By evaluating x equals any 4, the number of ways any 4 can occur is now 4, and the total number of outcomes is 40, which makes the probability of x equals any 4 equal to 1/10. Let's now determine the probability of x equals any red. The total number of ways a red number can occur is 10, and the total number of possible outcomes is 40, making the probability of x equals any red equal to 1/4.